Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your username over on the Quizlet app. So in order to change your username, the first thing you need to do is open the Quizlet app just like this. And once you've done that, you want to go to the bottom right corner of your screen at Profile, and then you want to click on Your Settings right here. And then right here you'll find Username where you can click on. First of all, you need to make sure that you can only actually change your username once, so keep that in mind. Click on Continue. And then in order to prove it's really you need to simply sign in with the account you've used in order to sign in for Quizlet. So just click on continue like this and select any of the accounts you want to use. And then you basically verify that it's you. And what you now can simply do is change your username to whatever you want. So let's say I do that just like this. All you want to do then is click on save at the top right corner of your screen right here. And you can right now see that your username has been saved. And that's basically all you need to do. So if you learned something in this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.